Whether it's a job interview, a new job you need to dress up for, a wedding, another fancy event, there's gonna be times where you need to be wearing a suit. And in today's video, I'm gonna make sure you guys are doing it right. Number one, first and foremost, most important by a mile is the fit of the suit. Fit is everything when it comes to wearing a suit. A $100 suit can look better than a $1,000 suit if it's tailored properly. I will fight you on that all day long. It is 1000% true. On the jacket, there's 4 things you want to look for. Where does it sit on your shoulder? Where does it sit on your sleeve? How long is it overall? And how does it fit you when it's buttoned and unbuttoned? Now for your pants, you want to pay attention to the waist size, of course. How does it fit on your butt? The overall taper, and where does it sit on your shoe? Most suits are designed to be tailored. So with that being said, it's better to buy it a bit larger and then just get it altered compared to buying it too small and then it's tight and doesn't fit you right. Rule number 2, which is arguably just as important as rule number 1, keep everything simple. And I mean everything, from the tie you choose, from the socks to the shoes, keep it classy, keep it simple. Black, gray, blue, brown for the suit. Don't go crazy, keep it simple. The reason I say stick with those 4 colors is because they're good all year round. They're never gonna go out of style, and they're the easiest to mix and match with white, blues, pinks, any other color you wanna wear with a dress shirt or a tie. They will work with navy blue, brown, black, and gray always. Rule number 3 is all about patterns. And don't get me wrong, there is exceptions to every single rule. I get that, I agree with that. But for the most part, again, this is for beginners. This is for starters, someone who's first trying to buy a suit or style a suit or wear a suit. And the rule is, if your suit has a pattern on it, you keep your dress shirt solid, and vice versa. If your shirt has a pattern or a crazy color, wear a solid suit. You don't want to be having patterns clashing on top of patterns. It's very difficult to pull off. Again, there's guys who can do it. There's stylists out there who do this for a living, who can mix and match and do a killer job. But for the average guy who you're wearing a suit once in a while, or you're just getting into your suiting for the first time, keep it one or the other. It's gonna look better, it's easier to do, and it's not going to clash. Rule number 4 is a pretty simple one, but this gets broken all the time. If you're wearing black shoes, you wear a black belt. If you're wearing brown shoes, you wear a brown belt. Very simple, keep it unison. Black, black, brown, brown. Rule number 5, last but not least, is dress for the occasion. Really think about it. Do you need to be wearing a full suit with a tie? Is it necessary? Can you maybe wear a t-shirt under the suit jacket? Can you wear jeans with it? Can you wear sneakers with it? There's times where you don't have to get too dressed up. And don't get me wrong, 90% of the time, it is better to be overdressed than underdressed. But also, on the flip side, if you look way too dressed up, you're gonna stand out like a sore thumb, and it doesn't look cool. Because you're gonna look a lot more put together if you're actually dressed for the occasion versus just always wearing a tux everywhere you go. It just looks even worse than if you were a bit underdressed, in my opinion. There's so many tips and tricks when it comes to fashion and wearing suits, and if you just wanna look good and classy, or you're going to your first dressy event, or your prom, or whatever the case may be, follow these rules. Just get a simple black, gray, or navy suit, get a nice white crisp tee, nice tie, or even a bow tie. Pocket squares go a long way for adding a nice flair to a fit. Going with a look like this is just forever timeless. Classic colorways, shades, proper fits, never go out of style. Guys, I really hope this helped you out if you are looking for a suit or trying to figure out what you should wear, how to wear it. I just wanted to go over the basics, my personal opinion. Again, have fun with it, put your own twist on it. And any questions you guys have, drop it below. I always like to answer and interact with you guys. Appreciate it if you made it to the end of the video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.